Hello and welcome to another fine day in the shop. Today's project was gonna be to figure out specifically why this power feed isn't power feeding, but I have neglected to charge the camera and I don't have the charger. So the first order of business is gonna be to reproduce one of these so I can mount the cell phone in it. Today I have Lowkey dog helping me out. She's a good girl. The object under consideration today is this quick release. It screws into the bottom of the camera and a little pin indexes into this and then somehow clamps down. This is the stock I have to work with. So the phone is basically shaped kind of like that, for all intents and purposes. And I was thinking I could just, you know, do your little flange down there. It's gonna neck up. And just some sort of V-notch with a vertical element. And then you get a hook there. And then rubber bands or something right there, and that'll hold that pushed in and hold the phone in place. Oil, 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 oil. We are aiming for 695. I've determined that I need to do this. I'm just going to locate the tool with that and start cutting the slot. Little bit of gap. So I'm going to square up the shoulder. I'm going to take a little bit off the bottom and I'm going to see what happens next. I've heard online that nothing removes material like a saw. So if you need to do some cutting, always start with the big stuff. Well, it's not to any specific dimension, but here we go. That's a part. It might even work. And even now, over a year later, it's providing valuable service.